In some stocks, institutional trading activity is increasing even though price moves remain relatively small. This can sometimes signal positioning by large investors before a larger move develops. To identify these situations, we can use the dark short screener. Here we can see several stocks appearing in the scanner. One of the key fields is dark P percentile, which shows how high dark pool activity is compared to the past year. When this number is close to 100%, it means institutional activity is extremely elevated. For example, we can take UPS, where dark pool short activity is very high, suggesting increased institutional positioning. We can also see names like PNW and HPE, where dark pool activity is also elevated. Another useful field here is dark short signal. When the signal shows in sync, institutional activity is moving in the same direction as the price trend. When we see divergence, institutional activity is moving differently from the price, which can sometimes signal a potential reversal. Now, let me show the settings I'm using in the screener to find these signals. First, I filter for dark short slope greater than 0, which means institutional activity is increasing. Next, I add a filter for dark P percentile between 80 and 100, focusing on stocks where dark pool activity is already very elevated. Finally, I add dark P change over 5 days with a minimum value of 20%. This helps identify stocks where dark pool activity has increased significantly over the past few days. Using these filters, we can quickly find stocks where institutional positioning is becoming more active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next market update.